Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be using the laptop to determine which of the parking distance control sensors went bad on this E60 M5. And we're also happy to announce we got a new 4K camera and a tripod which apparently we haven't figured out how to use correctly yet. This is on a 2006 E60 M5. I've got intermittent problems with the parking distance control. Right now you can see there's nothing happening on the screen. Sometimes it'll come live and show the sensors, other times it won't. And of course when it faults, then the parking distance control light flashes. Looking at this in INPA, the front oscillating times seem to be okay. The rear, however, when it faults, the oscillation times seem to freeze. On the ones that are okay, the one that's bad comes up with a low time and an exclamation mark. And looking at the distances, doesn't show you anything, nothing updates. It seems like the system just shuts down even when one sensor's faulty. We're going to try spraying it with some WD-40. It seems to work for some people, so we'll actually give this a test and see what it'll do. Spray it on and wipe it off. Right, see what that did anything. Okay, so still in fault. If we turn it off now, back on, still have a fault. If we read the error messages, we have got HR rechts hinten, which is the right rear. So we'll clear it. Interestingly enough, when you first clear it, the system works again for a short time. I'm not sure why that is, but it seems they're still not happy. So what we're going to try is, I'll try another round of spray and see if that does anything. Alright, so spraying this with WD-40 didn't help. Although now it sort of intermittently works for a few seconds and then it shuts it down. So, not good enough anyways. Ordered the new part. And here she is. This was from FCP Euro. A little more expensive for them, but lifetime warranty should it fail again. And you order these with the right color for your car. So this is the black one for my car that matches mine. So we should be able to sapphire black. We should be able to get at this one from the back without having to take the bumper off. Fortunately, it's the corner one, so we should be good there. I'll set you guys up here so you can see it. I'll crawl underneath. So if you get your arm just right in there, you can reach up inside. And it just twists. There's two little catches that you open up, and then you should be able to pull this thing back. And connector. So there we go. So poke the connector out of here. So as you can see it, there's just one little catch on it you can click with your thumb. And it's really hard to tell, but there's two catches in there at the bottom and top that you just kind of spread apart, and they clip behind these catches on the sensor. So when you reinstall it, you just, it sits like this. You just push it in from the back and it clicks into place. Okay, the new sensor in. I'm in INPA in the park distance control module, and this is the oscillator times, which before, you can remember the rear right, this just showed an error. We can go to the distance measurements with F1, and this will show front right has something close to it, so does front mid right, so does front mid left, which makes sense because we're parked here. And the rear doesn't see anything right now, so I'll go, I'll take this little ramp to the back of the car and see if we can make this thing read anything. So I'll start with the, as me walking in front of the car, I'll start with the left on the back and walk around it. Okay, so I left the rear right one about 45 centimeters away, and it's reading about 52. Yeah, it's pretty close. Close enough. So that looks like it's all working now. Inside the car. Really hard to read with all the glare, but you can see the graphic on the right. I've got the Android head unit, but it still shows you the sonar sensors in the back, and they are picking up where they should be. So my air is gone. I've got a solid green light on the parking distance control module. Turn it back on and it picks it back up. So we are golden.